Here's how to check screen time on Android. Now, if you're on your Android or Samsung phone, you can first just swipe up and open up your settings. There are two different ways to be able to check that screen time and to change it or turn it off if you wanted to. The first way is to just scroll down and you're looking for battery. Now, this does keep a track record of what apps you've used. You can scroll down and hit view details, and you can see it says screen on time, screen off time, battery usage, and you can see here One UI home, Galaxy themed, etc. how many minutes it's on screen or not on screen. So this is one place that it will track your entire screen time. However, there's another place as well. Let's go back and back again. And instead of that, let's scroll down because you'll be able to see towards the bottom is digital well-being and parental controls. And there's screen time. So just tap on it. You can see here 8 minutes of screen time usage. I can tap on it and see what I have used on various days, notifications on here, unlocks, etc. Now you can always go back and tap on those lines at the top right, and you'll be able to see the weekly report. I just turned this on so I don't have a weekly report, but if you did, you would turn it on there. Now you can always go down and set app timers on here. You can have content restrictions on here or parental controls. But let's say you didn't necessarily want this and you wanted this to be turned off. You don't necessarily want screen time. You can see those three dots. I'm going to tap on those and tap on settings. From here, you can choose to exclude apps. Let's say you wanted screen time or app limits, but you didn't want to include Instagram or Facebook. You can always set that here or set a pin. But you can see if I scroll down, usage data access. If I tap on that and then go to settings, if I turn this off, essentially I'm disabling permission for digital well-being to track all of the data usage. Essentially, this disables screen time on the Android phone. So if I go back out of here, you'll be able to see now it is set to 0. And of course, I can always just turn it back on if I wanted to down the road, or I could change those app limits, the parental controls, all of that.